Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to change your country in YouTube. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your browser, then search for YouTube. So after searching for YouTube, you have to change the country of YouTube. In the right side, click on a channel icon or a profile icon. Now in this menu, you see option of location. Click on it. Now select a country which you want. So by this way, you can change your country in YouTube. You can also change the language. For example, here are many options of languages. You can select which you want. So this is the simple way to change your country in YouTube. Hope this video helped to solve your problem how to change country in YouTube. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.